I'm going to teach you a highly profitable strategy for binary options and pocket option broker. Hello traders, welcome to the Next Wave Trading. My name is Lester. For this strategy, we're going to use two moving averages and the stochastic oscillator. We will also use the Ashi Heiken candles. The moving averages will be exponential moving average, period 3, the first yellow color, and the second exponential moving average will be of period 7, red color. Our stochastic oscillator will be the default settings. We will see the candles in 30 seconds and we will operate in 1 minute and 30 seconds. There are 3 rules to respect. The first rule: the stochastic must be in the zone of 80 for the put and 20 for the call. The second rule: the yellow moving average must cross the red moving average. And the third rule: the configuration Heiken Ashi must be 30 seconds. Now we go to the graph. Put this strategy to the test and let us know your results in the comments. So that you can open an account with Pocket Option, I will leave you the link below this video, and remember that you can acquire the bonus that the broker offers you to double your balance. We have won the first one, and I will look for another entry to show you another example. You can see that the strategy works, but you have to respect the rules. Do not overtrade and take care of your balance. That is the key to success. Practice this strategy and I hope you have good results. In my channel, you will find more strategies. Use the one that best suits your trading style. And I always recommend using a moving average of 200 to trade with the trend. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to receive more strategies. See you on the next wave.